Did you know that 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7? You heard that right. 6-7% of teachers don't know what they're teaching.
Studies from EdCom2 shows that 67% of teachers don't know what they are teaching about. It is also said in the study that shortages in key areas such as STEM, edukasyon sa pagpapakatao, math, and science. What do you feel when the teacher don't know what they're talking about?
I feel scared kasi unang-una sa lahat, paano siya magtuturo kung pati siya mismo hindi siya mulat tungkol sa tinuturo niya.
Mga reaction ko doon sa mga teacher na nagtuturo labas sa kanilang specialization. Siyempre sa simula talaga mahirap. Kasi sa guro, importante na malalim ang kanyang pagkaunawa sa subject area na kanyang tinuturo. So, since hindi naman niya yun specialization, most likely mapipilitan siyang aralin yung mga impormasyon na may kinalaman dun sa subject area.
Many educators admit that preparing lessons in these unfamiliar subjects are overwhelming, filled with anxiety and peer pressure, and students who are taught by these teachers have a hard time understanding the lessons that the teachers gave them, especially in periodical exams. Teachers also said that the problem is not in them, but in the system they are under of, that fails to align the training of teachers, recruitment of teachers, and classroom needs. Our future depends on these leaders who can finally align it all by using the teachers' training, recruitment, and many more. So, will they can finally align it all, or would it fall?
And this is Alison Tan reporting.